Let's talk about trenching and excavation. An excavation is a cut, cavity, trench, or depression formed by the removal of material. A trench is a class of excavation that is at least 5 feet deep, but not wider than 15 feet. When we talk about trench work, we are specifically looking at the potential for a collapse that would trap or injure workers in the trench. All trenches greater than 5 feet in depth require some form of protection for the workers. There are 3 types of protection available. Shielding, which is often called a trench box, is a structure that is placed in the trench that can withstand a cave-in and protect employees. Shoring, which is a structure that supports the size of the trench, often with hydraulic, mechanical, or timber bracing. Sloping, which is the process of forming the size of a trench at a specific angle depending on site and soil conditions to eliminate the possibility of a cave-in. Trench work will always require a competent person to be present. They are responsible for inspecting the trench for potential hazards at least daily or more frequently if needed or left unattended. Potential trenching hazards include cave-in, standing water, poor access, materials stored within 2 feet of the trench edge, atmospheric hazards, and underground utilities. A dig-safe survey must be done prior to all trenching activities, and great care must be taken when digging in proximity to utilities. Photos of dig-safe markings should be taken and retained for future reference. SPS owns several utility locating devices which should also be used prior to digging. Hand digging is required within 18 inches of any utility. Trench access in the form of a ladder or ramp must be provided at least every 50 feet, so no travel distance is greater than 25 feet. Any work involving water mains requires the completion of a water main checklist that can be found in the HCSS Forms directory.